Hello, this is Master Luke Chen. Greetings. Today, and again, I want to share with you how I do using Tao Te Ching as a guideline to do the 6 direction, to do the Qi Gong. All right, so it's important that the wuwei, the Tao Te Ching, the wuwei concept is you do things small, and then add up. 1,000-mile journey, start the first step. So now the idea is wuwei, from the emptiness. When we first do the movement, the Qi Gong movement, really absorb. Now, as soon before you're doing it, this emptiness, emptiness, and then but it's something already happened. So you go forward, and then small, until the end of it, and you come back, absorb, release. Now, of course, then the more detail, your hands is become very small, smooth, and so on. But it's all based on the rhythm. Release, absorb, release from wu, and then you go yao, wu, yao. Now, the whole idea is that this is moving meditation. We're doing the movement with shoulder, elbow, hands, wrist, this whole rhythm to it. How can we, so release, absorb, how can we occupy our mind here and now? The whole idea, here and now. And the purpose, of course, we are one with cosmic, and then after the Qigong half hour, then you have more energy, you're more positive about life. So they live a natural long life. So the whole idea is release, absorb. Now, so I my personal divide 9 movements, the 6 direction. So each one I'm meditating on the 8 secrets of Tao Te Ching. So bring me back into here and now. So the simple movement, for example, from your chest going out, absorb, going back, release, absorb. Now I'm thinking, of course, the shoulder blades in between, and the tongue, and the shoulder, elbow, wrist, the whole thing has a rhythm. Release, absorb, and stop, absorb. So it's a rhythm to it. Now when you reach a certain level, so in other words, you're physically, you know how to do it, but now is how your mind be with you at all time. So that's what I want to talk. Actually, want to talk about it. The concept, okay, 8 secret. One of the secret is enough is enough. Be grateful for what we have. So it's you don't have excessive desire. So it's a basic desire. What's the basic desire? Is have enough to eat, drink. That is the fundamental of life. That is how you, from that moment, you can connect with oneness, with Tao. That is called wuwei. In other words, you're from the movement, empty, and then suddenly you connect and come back. Your mind is always stay with your body. Now, of course, the breath is a part of it, but it's not the breath controls you. And the whole body, breathing through the whole body, not just through the nose. But that's the whole idea. Release, absorb. Now, to put it more concrete, so that's what I do. So if I really absorb. Now in my mind, I bring myself back to one of experience in my life. that in that moment, I still remember very clearly when I'm eating a sweet potato. When I was young, poor, family very poor. So it's something, the sweet potato, is when you something to eat, oh, you're so grateful, you're so happy. And then the moment I still remember when a person gave that to me and I eat it, and then I'm so grateful. Of course, the food in through the taste, the tongue, going through the body, and I totally emerge with the cosmic, with the love of the person. And then now I think about it, it brings back the memories of the good, memories of the enough is enough. So I just said, put myself in that position, release, and think about it, absorb. So my whole body just relax, melt in my shoulder, elbow, wrist, and then the fingers. Also meridian, the chi and breath going through my heart and lung, through the feet, by simply, without thinking about it, but thinking about the sweet potato, the love, the satisfaction, and then I connect with the cosmic, and I live here and now, because in the past, future, now is actually one piece. So if we can bring that positive emotion through our body, and then our chi going down to your lower dantian, to your feet, and the whole body so relaxed, and then your tongue, of course. I imagine eating the sweet potato, sweet. So my really has saliva in my body, in my mouth. I really enjoy it. So that's what the tongue is involved. So in Qi Gong we have the tongue. The release of the tongue has to involve. So while I'm doing this, I'm thinking eating a sweet potato. Now, of course, only a few movements, and then I move on into a next image, next visualization. So, but throughout this half hour, I'm so relaxed. I'm totally involved here now. All right. So again, but if you're doing the lift your posture down, the same thing. Push and pull, open, close, open, close. Is the same. All right. So thank you so much. Love from Yang Suo. Love yourself. Love others. Love nature. That is the essence of Tao. Thank you so much.